I'm gonna do a cold start video on my truck for you guys. It's about 2 degrees here in Michigan right now. We just got a little bit of snow the other night. Truck's a little dirty, but whatever. Poor girl. Bought it from Florida about a year ago. Brought it up here. These are just the winter wheels. Wheels and tires. These are the ones I run in the summer. A little dirty. And here's my Jeep. 04 Jeep Wrangler. From Texas. Pretty soon it's going to be getting a LS motor in it, 6-liter LQ4. Should be a fun little toy this summer. We'll play in the sand dunes and stuff.